I've got some things that I want to finish up on my 500 SL. So one of those things being the hood pad was not present. So today I am going to be installing a hood pad that I acquired from Mercedes. It was actually one of the last ones, I think, that they could find. And oddly enough, my friend Joe ordered this hood pad for his Silver Arrow when he had it. Didn't use it. So I got it and it was in stock. So I'm going to be installing it on the SL. And I'll show you the process. So let's take a look at the existing one, which is not existing. But I'm going to remove the rest of that stuff. I'll try to see if I even need to remove some of this glue. I don't think so, but I have this adhesive. I got to pop these clips off, and those hold the front part of it on, which is good. And I'll spray the 3M adhesive spray on here, and that should hold it, but we will see. Let's go ahead and remove these clips. I got my special clip removing tool. I'll slide that under there, pop that out like this, and I'll just put them all over here. Some of these are two-pieced. Actually, all of them are, but the pieces are missing, so that's something I'll have to find. I'm grabbing all the fasteners. I'm lining this thing up. And hoping for the best here. I don't lose them as you need them. And then I'm going to apply even pressure. Hood pad is done. Let it sit up like this so it dries a little more. But yeah, looks a ton better now. So to remove this steering wheel, you're going to want to disconnect the battery. There's 2 bolts. There's one right here and one right here. And I turned the steering wheel this way so I could easily access these so that the stalks aren't in the way. And then I have my impact, a hammer, and I have the, I believe it's going to be this guy right here, 10 Allen. And prior to using the impact, I'm going to take a hammer to the Allen and pound it several times, bang on it, loosen it up because it's Loctite. You don't want to strip that bolt. Trust me, I've done it before, not fun. And then we'll try to remove it. If it's not budging, we'll just keep hammering it. Eventually that Loctite should break free and we'll be able to take that bolt out. And yeah, so let's get to it. So it is going to be one of these guys here. Pop it in here. And I already broke it free. You could see the airbag's already moving. Now all right, we got the final bolt out. Now carefully have to disconnect this plug. So there's the bolt I was talking about. I'm going to put the steering wheel back to the right orientation. All right, so take their hammer, give it a lot of good whacks. There we go. As you can see, my finger is bleeding. And I do think I have a new bolt, so I'll probably use that one. Let's go ahead and, okay, disable the steering lock. And that pops off like that. Let's get our AMG steering wheel. What happens when we put it on? Nice. Let's connect the battery and see if the horn works. it's the other way around. Very possible. Myself a new screw. I'm gonna catch it by hand. And that should be good enough. So now we'll pop this guy on. And that's all she wrote. Now, of course, we're going to have an SRS light because we are in a car with no airbag now. So I'll have to check if there's a fuse for it or if you simply just remove the bulb. But like I said, I might just redo the wood on this one and put it back. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think this one's period. This is what people would do. So, but yeah, let's get on to the next project.